Research indicates that snoring isn't just a nuisance, it's associated with potential health risks and could indicate that you have other sleep disorders. Snoring occurs when air movement is obstructed in the upper airway. This vibration can lead to local inflammation over time. Moreover, the intermittent reduction in oxygen associated with heavy snoring can impact cardiovascular health and cognitive function. Studies suggest that reducing snoring can improve overall sleep quality and potentially reduce the risk of you developing sleep apnea. If you snore, try these tonight. Elevate your head, sleep on your side, and avoid alcohol before bed. And if snoring persists, consult a sleep specialist.